How to turn off search and watch history option on YouTube. The first thing you want to do is launch open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get to your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will open up your settings. Now, once you land on your settings, find the option of Manage All History. Go ahead and select that. You can select your Google account from here. Now select Delete, then tap on Delete All Time over here. On this page, you want to tap on Delete and confirm it, then tap on Got It. Once you do that, you simply want to head back. Now here, you will find the option Saving Your YouTube History. Select that. Here you want to uncheck the box that says include the YouTube videos that you watch. Go ahead and confirm all of that. After that, uncheck the box that says include your searches on YouTube. This one also you want to confirm. Once that is done, you can simply head back, and as you can see, the search and watch history has been successfully turned off. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.